Hello everyone. Hope you are doing good. Welcome to today's episode of Sari Ki Sari Baatein, and thank you for logging in this beautiful Saturday evening. I'm just hoping that you are keeping yourself safe. I know the cases have gone a little low now. I'm so thankful for it. But I think it's very important for us that we don't, drop our guards and still, we keep ourselves safe. Yeah, so let me just get in my get. Hi, ma'am.
Hi, how are you?
I'm good. How are you, ma'am?
Fantastic. Doing ex
It's so nice to see you here.
Yeah, same here. It's been a long time we
Yeah.
have been planning, I guess. Finally,
Yeah, finally we meet, although virtually, but I think yeah, that's the reality now.
right.
Yeah, so I was just introducing today's episode. So today's episode is all about get up and style up. I know the our moods are low because of the entire lockdown and whatever is happening, but of course I believe that we always have to see the brighter side and we need to lift our mood, and nothing like getting up and getting ready. And to discuss that with us, we have the maven in in styling, in sari styling. She is mastering corporate sari draping apart from being an image consultant and TEDx sport speaker by her profession. She is expert in sari styling, and she has been doing that, and she has been displaying that even in all her Instagram sharing. So welcome Anu ma'am. She is Anumala ji, and welcome to the episode. It is such a delight to have you today.
Same here. Pleasure.
So, ma'am, how did your fascination for sari styling start? If I have to ask you,
Sari styling or sari?
sari as well as then of course sari styling.
Yeah. First, let's talk
Yeah,
about how the fascination for saris, first of all, born is like where we are. I'm a baby boomer. It's like in those times and the smaller towns, I think we saw women only in saris, right? So when we got married, also we were in saris. I got a whole lot of saris, and for every occasion I wore saris. But when image consulting happened, I started
yeah,
using the image concepts and started using it for my corporate wear, work wear, and started kind of exhibiting and showcasing that okay, sari is not limited to only occasion, but it can be worn in many ways. So that's how it
yeah.
started.
Wow. So,
Yeah.
ma'am, of course, and during the lockdown, especially if I see now that styling has, I think, got more importance in our life because our movements are restricted. We are not able to go out, and in like in between we have these virtual meetings, many weddings that we have met, that we had in virtual occasion, and we really want to get up. So, like we want to get up and dress up. So, how do you think sari styling has can revive this love for our old, the oldest garment that is sari. How do you think so?
This love for sari, I think, never died, but it was like in slumber. That's what I would
Yeah,
say. You know?
yeah,
But sari styling in innovative ways and bloggers exhibiting it, I think, is giving it a fresh new look, right? It's like lending a new life because
yeah,
styling is like, how you plate your food. When
yes,
you plate your food, it becomes more appetizing and visually appealing, right? So looking
yeah,
at bloggers and enthusiasts and kind of sari fashionistas, the way they're styling, I think the youngsters are feeling it. It is making more desirable, and they want to
yeah,
adorn it, they want to adapt it, they want to style it. And kind of, yes, so many saris you had in the lockdown, as you rightly mentioned. Clothes, somehow, when you dress up, you feel
yeah,
good, that feel good factor.
yeah.
So,
Feel good
this
factor.
lockdown, you
Yeah,
have a lot of time to,
yeah,
declutter your wardrobes. You see, oh, it's a beautiful piece. Let me flaunt. That's how I think is revived. It's like breaking the myth. Okay, it's not for only occasions, but we can style. So yes, it's
yeah.
giving a very, it's a new life and reviving the sari, as you rightly
Yeah.
mentioned.
Yeah. I think it will make the future more exciting for this garment. I
Absolutely. Actually, the fashionistas and the sari enthusiasts make it look very easy. You know,
yeah, true.
not,
That's
yeah,
true.
they make it very look easy and doable, and that's what is making this wonder garment more desirable. Want to try this
Yeah,
stuff, want to do
yeah,
this, want to use the
yeah,
clothes I have, want to
yeah,
restyle. So this is
yeah,
how it's happening, and I'm very
yeah.
happy the way it is going.
So true, ma'am. Yeah. And we see that resurgence happening now. Definitely, we see that
Absolutely.
happening.
Yeah, absolutely. Yeah.
So, ma'am, do you like to style, like styling with surprise, or you are always in, you like to go by the classics?
Okay, let me bounce back the question to you. What do you mean by surprises and what do you mean by classics?
So, classic is something like, which like, okay, these are some ways that people have already said that, you need to wear. And surprise is something, I'm in this mood today. I'm in a jazz mood. So let me get dressed up now for this, let me make a cocktail of my entire look. So what is that?
Here you go, cocktail.
Yeah.
You said it. So let me give 2 cents of my image consulting knowledge here. So the classic is something actually classy person when the person dresses up very elegant and classy. That is classy as a person. But
Yeah.
there are classic garment pieces also. The garment pieces which are like very less design details, and they work like background pieces. You can mix and match with many more other clothes. So then what happens is the ROI increases, the return on investment. You're wearing more times.
Yeah.
It's like that. So it's like with classics, it's very possible to dress down or dress up. You can give
Okay.
more looks. But
Yeah.
as you say, surprises in technical word, it is trends. The trends
Yeah.
and fashion, they come and go, they exit very quickly. So
Yeah.
I
Yeah. Yeah.
a bit of both for me, but
Yeah.
major chunk goes to the classic garments, which is like
Yeah.
I get good ROI for the investment what I do for my clothes, and it
Yeah.
gives me more looks. I don't get tired of dressing and styling my classic garments. So it has to be a bit of both,
Yeah.
classic
True.
plus this. So you
Yes.
have to have your proper distribution of your garments, like 80% classics and 20% for the trends. Because trends are like fads, they come and go.
Yeah, they come and go. Yeah, true, true, true. Yeah, that's a great advice, ma'am. So, how do you add that extra oomph in sari?
Oomph in
So,
sari,
if
I
I,
think
yeah,
sari itself adds oomph to anyone who wears it. I feel it that way. But I
so
would
but
say
still,
that,
yeah,
yeah, isn't it? So oomph is, you can say that X factor, right?
yeah, X factor. Yeah,
But
yeah, of course.
and I say that X factor, the oomph factor cannot be bought or stolen or borrowed. It is there or not there.
Yeah,
But technically, if I go, I feel that you need to know the rules. Then you bend the rules and curate the clothes which are appropriate for you and authentic self.
so
Because the
true, man. Yeah,
oomph exude only when you're comfortable and authentic to yourself.
correct,
The way
correct,
you
correct.
carry, the way you conduct yourself, that's what adds that oomph factor to anyone for that matter. One
Correct.
garment cannot. The
Yeah,
same garment piece, I might exude oomph, but the other person may not.
might not.
The,
Yes.
so the clothes do not. The person who
Yeah,
wears it, how they carry, how they conduct, how they combine, make it into an ensemble, that's what makes the difference. That's what adds that X factor or the panache, you can say, the finesse, you can say.
yeah.
Not making
So
it
that
clutter, as you say, cocktail, not making it cocktail.
coffee. So yeah, that's what I mean. We have to first understand what looks best on us or which look actually goes with us, and we should experiment and then
Yeah,
we
no,
should,
it's
yeah,
exactly
we should
actually
figure out that.
when people say that, oh, मुझे तो सब कुछ मालूम है, इतना ज्ञान गूगल देता है. But self-medication is harmful. It's
Yeah,
exactly like that. So image consultants are here for a reason. So when we as experts, want to help one client, we go through every detail. We are technically, scientifically equipped to do that. You know,
Yeah.
what's your body shape, what suits you, what's your personal color, what's your personal style. So this is what is important. So self-medication is like, no. It should not be self-medication. I will not advise, but if at all really you're looking to kind of, elevate your persona, I think you need to have an expert guiding you.
Yeah, that's true. And I think you're the best person to do best person for it.
There are a lot
I'm
of
going
such consultants
I'm
out
going to you for sure, ma'am. I'm going to you for sure.
there. For sari, yes, it's me.
So ma'am, what are your top styling tips when it comes to sari?
Oh, when it comes to sari, styling tips, as in, I would say again, as I rightly mentioned just now, that, don't blindly follow trends. Know your
So
body
true. Yeah.
shape,
So true.
know your personal style, know your personal color, what you can carry, what you cannot carry. ऐसा नहीं है कि ये कलर मुझे सूट नहीं करेगा, but how much color, where to add, that's what you need to learn. So these are the
Yeah.
tips I say, that you need to learn first your body, be aware of it, and accept the body you are living in and dress the body you're living in today.
Correct.
Because every body is different. We all have variations. One
Yeah, of course.
particular garment suits the person, one person, but it may not suit you. You need to
Yeah.
curate. That's why I keep shouting on my social media and Instagram saying that, inhale fashion, but exhale
Yeah.
style, absorb trends, but kind of bespoke your styles. This is what one faux pas I think people keep doing it. So this is the style tip I would say, that please curate and, kind of bespoke for yourself whatever you wear. Make it
Yeah.
yours. Make it
Yeah.
yours. Only then can it look nice, and, as you say, excuse the factor or the charisma you would
Factor.
have. Yeah. Yeah.
So, ma'am, what are your top, I would say that which are the five such things that you will say that we should avoid in terms of styling in 2021? 2021 is just to add that extra masala. I would say that for like for any year.
Well, I catch your own word saying that don't make it a cocktail, please. Don't make it a cocktail. So declutter. I would say declutter. You
Yeah.
so do not. जब भी मूवी जाते हो या कुछ करते हो, मूवी में एक ही हीरो होता है ना, एक मयान में एक ही तलवार रह सकता है. You know,
Correct, correct.
when it comes to dressing, what we do is individually every item is beautiful. But when you put together too many good things, it becomes clutter or a cocktail, what you rightly mentioned. Right?
Correct,
It
correct.
needs to be less is more. That is
Correct,
major tip I would give. Don't
correct.
clutter. Not, it shouldn't be chaotic. Look, let one should speak. So one should be dominant or one should be hero. The rest are in supporting role. Be
Correct.
neat. One thing. Decide what you want to kind of showcase. So make
Yeah.
that showstopper. That's what I would say. This is a major faux pas people do it. कि ये मैंने नया लिया, ये सेट भी पहनना है, वो सेट भी पहनना है, ये भी करना है, वो भी करना है, इतना सारा.
सब
No,
डाल दो.
don't make it khichdi. Okay, so less is more. Have one hero in the ensemble, rest let it be in supporting role is what I would say. Okay.
Yeah, that's a great advice. Yeah.
Right. The second
Yeah.
thing is, as I rightly mentioned, that I already mentioned, that don't blindly follow the trends. Have inspiration. Take inspiration from your followers, or from the people whom you admire, or style icons. But then borrow, beg, steal what suits you.
Correct.
There are 2, 3 A's I would say. First A is it needs to be appropriate. Appropriate who you are, where you're going, what you want other people to perceive as, So these
Yeah.
appropriateness is very important. Work appropriate if you're going for a work, so how it needs to be work appropriate, then being authentic, being true to yourself. That's extremely
Yeah.
important. I keep repeating, I reiterating, because that's, I feel, is lot of value. People don't do underestimate this, but this is what makes who you are. the personal style, being
To be very
yourself.
true to yourself.
Yeah, yeah. I have
Yeah.
written a few things also for you to give away. Yeah, did I say? Okay, now because 2021, that's what you said. So people are working from home. Okay.
Yes.
So
Yeah.
they
Work
take
from home.
liberty of not dressing right. Right?
Yes.
Now you said that you style up, get up and dress up.
Yeah.
What
People are
happens?
in their pajamas only.
Yeah, pajamas pehno. Comfort is more because we are
Yeah.
working from home. Comfort is more, but
Yeah.
don't wear whatever comes in your hand. Wear what you want to feel on that moment or that day. That's important. Do you want to
Correct.
feel powerful,
Yeah.
authoritative? Then dress like that.
So
Because
true.
your
So
clothes communicate to you and also others.
correct.
So
Correct.
when you
Correct.
wear a set of clothes, you look good. What happens to is you feel good. And when
Yeah.
you feel
So
good,
true. Yeah.
you like your actions are good.
Good. Yeah.
The result is good. So
Yeah. It resonates.
yeah, dress for what you want to feel that day or what you
Yeah.
want people to, you know, perceive you as. So don't ignore dressing कि dressing चलता है कुछ भी चलता है. No, how you want to feel, dress like that.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Next, I would say that as I said just now, ki less is more. Don't make it too much of clutter.
Too much. Yeah.
Know your details, what you are dressing, and most important, as you rightly mentioned, this 2021 has been a gloomy year. It's been
Yeah.
1.5 year, right?
Yeah. Yeah. It's already down. We are half year down.
It's just
It's
about
gone.
half. Okay. So what happens is because we're already, low on energy, as per that, we reach out to all dull colors. It happens very naturally, okay? So
Yeah.
consciously make it a point to pick the bright, chirpy, cheerful colors. Embrace
Yeah.
colors. The moment
That's
you
a great
embrace
advice.
colors, that's what will change your mood and the atmosphere surrounding, and that's what you will exude, right? So embrace colors which are cheerful, with more positive energy, all those warm color palette, those oranges and
Yeah.
pop-up colors that makes you
Yeah.
feel. Colors also have their own language, right? So you
Yeah.
need
Yeah.
to embrace good colors. Don't
Yeah.
go for dull, boring, and kind of already depressing colors.
The monochrome colors.
Monochrome is good. No, actually, this is what is happening. The common people, they mix too many things interchangeably. They use monochrome is good, but even yellow can be monochrome, right? Yellow
Yeah.
is
True.
a bright
Yeah.
color.
Yeah.
Orange
Yeah.
also can be monochromed, but orange is a bright color. So
Bright color.
monochrome
Yeah.
is different. Dull, neutral colors ज़्यादा मत पहनो जो gloomy हैं. Grays and the
Mhm.
browns, and they kind of soak your energy, drain your energy from you, right? So you embrace colors is what I would say. And
Yeah.
the most important one I would say is that self-love and self-care will
So true,
always
ma'am.
be
That's the
in
best.
vogue.
Yeah.
So
I think
it
that's
will
the
never
best.
go out of fashion. So
Yeah.
embrace that because you need to fill your cup before you pour out. I'm not saying you're being selfish or you need to be
Yeah.
selfish, because unless you fill yourself with love, you cannot
You
pour
can.
out what you
Yeah.
have,
Yeah. Yeah. I
right?
think, yeah, it's very important for us to love ourselves first. Only then we can give
Yeah,
back.
that's what I say. Self-care is very
Yeah.
important because
Yeah.
health now the major requirement now is good health.
Yeah. So true. Yeah.
Not only physical good health, but even mental health.
Mentally. Yeah. Yeah.
So
Yeah. Yeah.
the moment you are, mentally healthy is when everything goes right.
So
Because
true. Yeah.
the second wave I think has played a havoc, has
Yeah.
played on mental sanity of everyone. To be
So
very
true.
frank,
So
so
true. It has
conscious
affected
effort,
everyone.
yeah. So you
Yeah.
need to make that conscious effort to not
Yeah.
get that affect you. So for
Yeah.
that, I say that self-care and self-love is always in vogue. So be stylish,
So
being yourself, and self-love
yeah.
and self-care.
Yeah.
Feel
And I
yourself.
loved your color therapy. I loved your color therapy that, you should wear the bright colors so that it makes you
Yeah.
look cheerful
Yeah. No,
rather
makes you
than having
feel.
this
Not only makes you look cheerful, but makes you feel because there is
look
color
cheerful.
psychology. it's just science there. Science
Yeah.
says, color science, the color psychology says the bright colors makes you feel. Even the interior decorators, once you actually, I think years back when my kids were small, that time I didn't have so much of knowledge. This is just struck me to say you that one wall as children, they would say, Mama red bana do, Mama orange bana do. So the interior told me that don't do that. It is lot of energy. Children are already full of energy. So you don't
Energy.
want
Okay.
one more energy to be added. So there are colors psychology. So bright colors give you that energy. So that you can bounce back to your loved ones whom you are taking
Wow.
pass
Oh,
on.
yeah. Yeah, that was really interesting, ma'am, and very insightful, I must say. There's a lot to take away, I think, from the conversation today. Thank you so
Yeah,
much, ma'am, for this
I can talk
beautiful.
full day for the sessions, but I'm not taking sessions, even though the soft skills have not been taking sessions. And I think you have been asking me since a long time to come on live with you.
Yeah, yeah.
So yeah,
Finally, we
yeah,
just caught
finally,
up.
right, finally. And I
And
want to confess that I've already told you, I think, on a text that you exude a lot of positive energy. You are very
thank you so
cheerful,
much,
yeah, lot
ma'am.
of positive energy. I really like. I really like.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much.
Yeah.
This made my day, ma'am.
Because the smile, everything is very genuine, and you are a genuine person. I can still feel it, from the messages also when I saw also. So I said that this girl is really nice.
Thank you so much, ma'am. It was really, it is so kind of you to say this, and it made my day. I'm
Fact, right?
so
So
grateful.
getting compliment is so nice, isn't it? So yeah.
And it was an absolute pleasure and it was a complete delight for me. And I'm so grateful that you joined me today in this
I'm also very
conversation.
happy.
And I think there was so much to take away from this conversation. Thank you so much. Now, do you have any parting thoughts for our audience?
Parting thoughts, I would repeat again saying that don't blindly follow trends and don't clutter your ensemble because it has to be, less is more. Keep only one hero, rest let them be in the supporting role. And
So
self
true.
love, self care. I reiterate self love, self care. Fill
Yeah.
yourself
I,
before you pour out.
so self love and self care, that is what we need to,
Yeah.
follow at least during this
Yeah.
lockdown. And yeah, I'm just hoping that, we go back to the old world very soon.
Example, the day you're feeling not feeling too good, you can't be, you can't give the same thing to your children or people around you. So you can't take care. So
Yeah,
first you need to take care of yourself. Only then you can look after.
so
So
true, ma'am.
to
Yeah,
really
yeah.
care for your family, I think you need to look after yourself
First,
first.
yeah, to take care of yourself. Yeah.
Yes.
Thank you so much, ma'am,
Thank
for this
you.
conversation
Pleasure.
and taking out time for us. I'm so grateful to you.
Pleasure.
So stay safe, ma'am. Take care.
Thank you.
Bye. Thank you
Bye.
so much. Bye. Bye.